Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of CTK Biotech OnSite rabbit test kit for torch panel rabbit test. Basically we're seeing the unboxing of OnSite torch panel rabbit test kit. This is a 10 test kit box. You can see this is from CTK Biotech. You can see this torch panel rabbit test, a 10-minute lateral flow immunoassay for the qualitative deduction and differentiation of antibodies IgG and IgM to Toxoplasma, gondii, rubella virus and cytomegalovirus and herpes simplex virus 1 and herpes simplex virus 2 in human serum, plasma or whole blood. This particular box contains 10 individual packed cassettes and 20 plastic droppers and 2 sample diluent and 1 package insert. You can see this, you can see it's a 10 kit box. I'll just show you around what this box looks like. You can see this. Okay. Let me unbox this for you to show you what is inside. See this here. So inside the pack you got an IFE brochure. You can see that it says torch panel rabbit test OnSite. You can also see the reference part number. This one has complete instructions about the summary and the test principles and how to conduct the test, how to interpret the results. So you have the complete details on this IFE brochure to completely conduct the test. So here it is, everything is here. Okay. I'm going to keep this here. Okay. Inside you can see there are these are the 10 test kit packs. So you can see how big it is. Okay, let me keep it here. Okay. Taking one more. You can see how the test pack look like. It says OnSite torch panel rabbit test. Here from CTK Biotech Corporation US. The other side of the pouch also has the procedure. You can see that it says the lot number and manufacturing period. Okay, you can see this here. And inside the pack, I can see you have you got plastic droppers. So I would say that there are 20 plastic droppers here. You can see this here, plastic droppers. You have planned 20 plastic droppers, and inside you can also see a diluent buffer, which is well sealed and pouch. You can see that it says torch panel sample dilute 5 ml, 2 5 ml bottle. You can see it is there. Okay, keep it here. This is the pouch. Okay, you can see this. So today we are seeing the just quickly to summarize here. Today we are seeing the unboxing of a product from CTK Biotech, the OnSite rabbit test for the OnSite torch panel rabbit test kit. This is a 10 test kit box. In a 10 test kit box, you can see you have 10 test cartridges pack, and you have one IFU brochure and 20 plastic droppers, and you have a 2 diluent buffer. This is how the complete test kit looks like. Okay, thank you.